Okay, we have a 2-axis FM 3V KH Chevalier vertical mill, box ways. I'm gonna do a little demo. Go ahead. Is that all the way down? Set to run on 230, 3-phase. Running. All right, you can stop the spindle so we can hear the table jog. Hit the E-stop, there you go. And we're just gonna jog it to the best of our knowledge. So we can slow it down. You can keep it pushed while you're turning it. There you go. Different speeds, he's adjusting the speeds. Go back slow. Beautiful. Okay. Let's do the x-axis. Slow. Beautiful. Move the quill handle so it can show the readout works. Let me switch with you. All right. There's a 3 horsepower. Variable speed. Looks like a 48-inch table. Do we have a tape measure? The one might be on that forklift there. So it's an Acu-Rite mill power G2 is what this is. So we'll go see if it says anything here. Yeah, there it is. CNC MPG2. 50 inches? So he got there, he's got 50 inches, so it's got to be 10. Go the other way. Yep, 10 by 50 table. There's the scale on that side. Box weighs. And a one-shot lube. Nice running machine. Okay, well that's just some oil. What about that? Drawbars here. And there you have it.